Hello friends! Today, while you are waiting for your turn to edit your Alaska story, you're going to be working with verbs. So you'll have this paper that says verbs, verbs, verbs. It says, underline the verbs in each sentence below. So you have sentence number 1, and remember a verb is something that you do. So think about an action that you can do when you think of verbs. Number 1 says, we eat turkey. So if I'm looking for a verb, the thing in that sentence that I can do is eat. I can eat turkey. So that's going to be my verb in sentence 1. Number 2 says, we drive to grandma's house. Which word in the sentence is something you can do? Number 3, mom watches football. Again, think about which one you can do. Which word is something you can do? 4, do turkeys hide? Number 5, my dad carves the turkey. So make sure you have a verb underlined in each sentence. There is only one verb in each sentence. I'm going to have you pause the video, make sure you have that done before I move on to the bottom part. Down here at the bottom it says, now write your own sentences. You may use some of the same verbs that you underlined above. Underline the verbs in your sentences. So I'm going to use this verb that I know up here. We eat turkey. And I'm going to use that in a new sentence. And I'm going to say, my daughter won't eat turkey, period. And then like they told me to, I'm going to underline the verb. So I have made my new sentence. I used eat. And then you can pick any other verbs that you've underlined for sentences 2 and 3. Make sure you use a capital letter. Make sure you use a period. I'm going to have you pause the video so you can have that completed before we turn over to the back side. On the back, it says color the verbs. So you color only the pilgrim's hats that contain verbs. So there's a lot of words on here, but you're only going to color ones that is something you can do, which is a verb. So I'm going to read the words and you will color it if you know it's something you can do and it is a verb. So we've got drive, sun, make, walk, pink, go, eat, dog, sleep, me, play, mom. So if you need to rewind and hear those again, please do so. Make sure you have colored only the pilgrim's hats that contain verbs. At the bottom, you're writing your own verbs. So on the hat, you're going to write 3 of your own verbs that have not been listed on this page. So think about anything you can do, and you can put that in the hat. You need to think of 3 verbs that are not listed anywhere on either side of the page. When you're done, go ahead and turn it in.